Hey guys, so let's get into this look. As you guys know, so the Jackie Aina palette looks like this. It is super pretty. It's metallic, iridescent, and yeah, it's cute. So first off, I want to say congratulations to Dennis and Jackie. Congratulations on an order. They are officially engaged. They announced it sometime Sunday I think, and I am super excited for her. Congratulations, Jackie and Dennis. You guys are amazing. And Jackie, I just can't wait to see this wedding because I just know it's gonna be amazing because she's Jackie. If you know Jackie, then you know. Anyway, so I am going to go ahead and create a look using the Jackie Aina palette from ABH. And as you can see, this has a bunch of beautiful purples and warm tints in there. The shimmers are beautiful. I love this palette. It screams Jackie 100%. And I'm just going to go right into the look and not waste any more time. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the shade Ginger, so you guys can see it, and this is going to be my transition shade. And I kind of want to use the purples in this, but I don't know yet. Everybody's been doing kind of a purpley look, but of course it's because it's the palette. Next I'm going to go in with edges with the same brush. And there is a lot of color payoff. And I'm just going to put that in my crease as well. This is such a pretty color. Oh, I love it. Perfect. So, if you guys don't know me, I love Jackie Aina. You can tell in my past videos that I love Jackie Aina. I talk about Jackie all the time. And she's just amazing. I'm so happy for you, Jackie, and I'm so excited for whatever else is coming this upcoming year and next year. Who knows, she might come out with a Jackie Aina Cosmetics line or something like that, and she will be getting all my coins, okay? So I went ahead and did my transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this deep brown in the shade Credit. And I'm just gonna do my outer V. I'm gonna kind of flick that out just a little bit. I want it to go out a little bit and then come back in. So yeah, if you know about ABH, you know this is a big deal. ABH doesn't just work with anybody. You have to really be influencing people in order to get their attention. Jackie said herself that she's been hiding this palette from us for a while, and I'm gonna put that in my inner V a little bit more too, because I'm gonna cut my crease. But if you know ABH, then you know that they don't just work with anybody. Like, you have to be somebody. They don't just pick you and say, hey, we want to work with you. They say, you know, okay, we see she's doing amazing, she's doing something, people are influenced, people are inspired, and Jackie is very inspiring. She's very influencing, not in a bad way at all. She tells it like it is. She keeps it real, and I think that's why a lot of the people in the Black beauty community respect her, because she's not gonna lie and, you know, try to tell you something for her coin. She's gonna tell you the truth. To be honest, Auntie Jackie is right to me, whether she's wrong. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. But you know, a lot of the things that Jackie has come to us about, either on her YouTube channel or her Instagram, which she doesn't really come to her Instagram about it, but like her Snapchat, she will. I'm gonna go back in with that transition brush and just kind of clean that up. She keeps it 100, and like, she's been, you know, messed with by a lot of people from other beauty communities, and it hasn't really fazed her. She says her piece and keeps it moving, and she keeps it classy. So I appreciate Jackie for that. I think the lighting is a little bit off, but that's okay. We're gonna keep moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease now. I'm gonna use that same concealer that I used to highlight my face in the shade Bronze. This is the CoverGirl concealer, the new CoverGirl concealer. I actually love this concealer, you guys. It's really nice. It's very opaque. And I'm taking my Morphe M224, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with Credit, and I'm gonna deepen that outer color and just blend that into the concealer. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so my creases are cut, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lid now. I'm gonna take the brush that came with the palette, and I'm gonna take the flat eyeshadow part, and I'm gonna go in the shade Sponsored, which is this pretty jade greenish iridescent color, and that's gonna be my lid color. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm gonna leave a little room because I'm gonna put a color on the inner corner as well. This palette just screams Jackie, okay? 100% screams Jackie. If you know Jackie, then you know that she wears a lot of greens, she wears a lot of purples, and this palette just has all of that and all the shades that can be used for deeper tones. And I'm glad she did that. She did it on purpose. She did it on purpose. She was thinking about her community, and how we kind of get left out when it comes to palettes, when it comes to bigger brands, because a lot of the shades don't really meet us where we're at. They tend to just be, you know, shades that are, oh, okay, they're there, but you know, they're not shades that we can use. And that's where we waste money at. Like, there's a lot of palettes where we could have used those colors, and if they made it a little bit more dark, or they made it a little bit, you know, more orange or warm or something like that, you know. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Soleil, and then go on my inner corner and just blend that into that. Oh, this is so pretty. Maybe I just have to turn my light down because it's super like bright. I don't know, maybe that was it. I don't know, maybe that was it. but this is a super pretty color. I love this. It's like a pinky gold, and it's like rose gold at the same time. Oh, this is a look, okay? And I'm gonna put that on my brow bone as well. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Jackie, you did that. I'm gonna go ahead and go under my eyes with the shade Big Wig, which is the pretty purple that is in the palette and everybody just seems to love. I'm super obsessed with this color because it's my favorite color and I can't wait to put it on. It's gonna be so pretty. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to take a little bit of that and just blend it out. That is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go in my eyeliner and lashes. I'm gonna come back and talk about the palette with you guys, and I'm gonna put my lips on and all of that good stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It is super beautiful. You guys can see the eyes. This is so pretty. Everything came out beautifully. Jackie, Aina, again, congratulations. Congratulations on your engagement. Congratulations on this palette and this launch with ABH. I know this was amazing for you. I can only imagine what is next. I can't wait to see what God has in store for her for the rest of the year and for the next year. I just can't wait to see just everything unfold, and I'm just proud of Jackie, and this is amazing. I feel like I'm talking like I know her. But I'm just super excited. You know, we gotta lift our black queens up and show as much love as possible. I honestly cannot wait to work with ABH. I feel like that's gonna be one of the brands that I work with later on in life, maybe sometime next year, you know, just putting it out there in the universe. But no, if you guys love this look or you recreate this look, then definitely tag me in it. Comment down below what your favorite thing about the palette is, what your favorite color is, and I will respond to you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.